Guys, if I could have my brother Grant come up here. We have a celebration tonight. We have a celebration tonight, and that celebration is about one of your peers here that has gone through a season of life, to say the least, that would be very difficult, and he's done it like a champion of champions. He's had chemo for how long now? I don't even know. How long is it?
He had 4 rounds of chemo, which was about a month apiece.
Okay, yeah. And he is a champion of champions. Now, don't get me wrong. He's a champion of champions. And I know that you don't want this, but he has an amazing mom and dad. Can I get mom up here too? Is that okay? They're a rock star. I have no problem saying your youth leaders are the kind of parents you want to be. And all of our kids that like belong to us, like Levi, Brandon, Judah, Kai, and Tinley, and everything, we can all laugh and go, yeah, we have our parents, as parents, we may have our fall down moments too. But these are champions as you follow Jesus. But these are even champions of going, guys, you know this, you've heard me say it so many times. I'm not just trying to coach you through high school and middle school. I'm trying to set you up to be the most rockin' husband or the most rockin' wife, and you're gonna have so much fun. I mean, all from finances to fun to work. And here's another example right here of passionate followers of Jesus Christ who love you guys and they love their kids. You're champions, man. We love you so much. I don't want to stand over here like you have leprosy or something. Or I have leprosy. All right. There you go. I'm giving it to you.
We have gone through about 6 months worth of interesting times. Kai and Annabelle, you can start putting a few of these pictures up. Many of you know Kai. He's here every Sunday night, but he doesn't look like this. But this is what his life has been like from about the early part of January, or of July, rather. And tonight we just want to have a celebration because the Tuesday before Thanksgiving, he walked out of his very last radiation appointment.
Yeah.
So there is. If you could just cycle through these.
Come on up here, Kai. Come on, buddy.
So. So tonight what we're going to do is what we call a bell ringing ceremony. At almost every cancer floor in America, there's a bell right outside the clinic. Some hospitals have a bell right out front. And when you're done, you ring that bell and everybody is excited. So you're going to be a part of that. But we're going to ask my first faith family, our immediate family, to come on up.
Come on, family.
I'm not going to get through this, but so we have Riley and Marla. And my sister Kristen, her husband Todd, my mom and dad, and my nephew, all here. We've got Kason and maybe some of the other guys on FaceTime in the back.
Come on.
But
yeah, give it up for the family.
So this is our first faith family.
We love you.
And guys, we've been praying through this, and it's exciting to see what God has done. And we had the faith for Kai to be healed immediately, but God chose to take this through this 6 months. And one of my favorite verses, it's been for a long time, is Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. And it says that trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him and He will direct your paths. In our own understanding, cancer for 6 months, that does not make sense, right?
Right.
But God put us in front of countless nurses and doctors. And Kai's going to be an ambassador at Children's Hospital. And so we don't know where that's going to go. So let's flip through maybe a couple more pictures. I'll talk a little bit. This is when Pastor Mark and some of the guys came over when we were over at Children's.
That's right. That's a truck balloon. Awesome.
And then there's a few more here that we'll discuss. That's Miss Riley here, supporting Kai in clinic, and the big kids got to come in and really help him. And that's Tinley and Marla as they were in the hallway. They were children's. And when Riley brought him home, after being in the hospital for 4 days, when they put his port in and it nicked his lungs and he had to stay there. And guys, he didn't have very many bad days. He did not. But this was really difficult. Yeah, I didn't tell him I was going to put this up. But his hair started falling out.
Don't worry, you're better looking than your daddy. It's all right.
But his hair started falling out, so we went over to Riley's salon, and his buddy Aiden was there, if you can look at the next one. But he is a fairly handsome bald guy. So just a couple more. So this, you guys made a Radiant Youth beanie. He was wearing beanies to cover up the fact that he didn't have any hair. And then he actually went to homecoming, and so we got to do the things that normal kids do. And but there was a lot of not normal stuff. This is getting a scan to see how big the tumor was. And we were excited to share that it shrunk 84% in the time that they treated him. And then he had 14 days of radiation, so that made it go down to nothing. We are praying for it. And then at the middle of February, we'll have the last scan and we'll be done. Maybe one more. That was his last day of radiation. So what we're going to do here real quick, this is going to include you. So I want everybody to come up on the stage here and join us. And what we're going to do is we're going to count 3, 2, 1, and when we get down to 1, he's going to ring this bell. We're going to yell and scream. Tinley's got a little popper here. And we are videoing this so we can see it. And Kai, if you need to get down on the floor, maybe we... But if there's not enough room on the stage, guys, you can come right up front here. But we want you, part of our faith family, to be involved in this. Even if those are bringing puppies, we want you to be included. So come on up. Come on up. And guys, we thank you so much for your support. I'll tell you what, when we realized this, it kind of went out and people started bringing us meals, and the church family was amazing. And we just thank you so much for that. All right, are we ready? We're going to count this down, and if you want to look over here, after we do this, this is what we're going to experience out here. Before we count down, I just want you to look at the screen real quick, because this is what we're celebrating. It said, Kai is cancer-free.
What up?
And that's the cake.
I like to celebrate with cake.
Yeah, that is the cake that we have up. Now, you ready, Kai? You sure? Okay, this is going to be the biggest one we've done. All right. Everybody's going to count with me. We're going to go 3, 2, 1, and then he's going to go, and we're going to scream. 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much for letting us do this.
Okay, one big, great, one giant, we love you on 3. 1, 2, 3. We love you! Yeah! All right. So with that being said, Radiant Youth, you are loved. Thanks for loving Kai. Everyone here, give him a high five tonight and eat a piece of cake. You are dismissed.